Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good eggplant, fried eggplant. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made this. Okay, first of all, what you want to do is you want to cut off the ends of these. And you want to make sure these are really rinsed off really well. Turn around and do the same thing this end. And you can cut these down thin as you want. I like them to be as thin as possible. Okay, we're going to crack 2 eggs into here. And we're going to whisk this together. Okay, I want about a half a cup of all-purpose flour on this side. Just a little more flour. Like that. Okay. Okay, I want some panko breadcrumbs. Panko, however you pronounce it. Okay, I want to sprinkle a little bit of seasoned salt all over this, even on the flour, the breadcrumbs. Alright, be kind of good up there. I want to put a little bit of smoked paprika on both sides. Okay, we're going to use a little bit of Parmesan cheese in here to help give it a little bit of flavor. Okay. Okay, we're going to turn the heat on here. Get this to boiling. Come back in a few moments. Okay, we're going to put one in. Come back a minute. Okay. Oh yeah, take a look at that. We're going to do a taste test when we come back on this. This looks so delicious. I want to put a little bit of Parmesan cheese over this. Okay. Okay, we're going to do a taste test on this. Okay, I'll take a little bit small one right here. Look at that. Oh my God, ain't that beautiful? That's very good. I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And I want y'all to have a blessing day.